Electronics hints. Understand the pulse amplitude modulation in a simple way. Welcome to view the video. The video has simple questions and short answers in pulse amplitude modulation. They help to refresh or enhance your knowledge of pulse amplitude modulation. Please like, share the video, subscribe this video channel and press the bell button. View my videos and receive more questions and answers in communication. Thank you. Electronic hints. What is the pulse amplitude modulation? In PAM, the high frequency carrier pulse is varied in accordance with sampled value of the message signal. How is PAM produced? In PAM, the signal is sampled at regular intervals. Each sample is made proportional to the amplitude of the signal at the instant of sampling. The pulses are used to modulate the carrier. The figure shows the waveform. What are the types of PAM? Double polarity PAM and single polarity PAM. What is the double polarity PAM? Double polarity pulse amplitude modulation, where the output signal contains both positive and negative pulses, representing the original analog information. What is the single polarity PAM? In single polarity pulse amplitude modulation, there is fixed level of DC bias added to the message signal or modulating signal. So, the output of modulating signal is always positive. What is the flat top PAM? The amplitude of each pulse is directly proportional to instantaneous modulating signal amplitude at the time of pulse occurrence and then keeps the amplitude of the pulse for the rest of the half cycle. What is natural PAM? The amplitude of each pulse is directly proportional to the instantaneous modulating signal amplitude at the time of pulse occurrence and then follows the amplitude of the modulating signal for the rest of the half cycle. What is the sampling theorem? The sampling theorem states that if the sampling rate in any pulse modulation system exceeds twice the maximum signal frequency, the original signal can be reconstructed with minimum distortion. The figure shows the block diagram of PAM generation. The figure shows the block diagram of PAM demodulation. What are advantages of PAM? It is simple process for both modulation and demodulation technique. No complex circuitry is required for both the transmission and reception. PAM can generate other pulse modulation signals and can carry the message or information at the same time. What is disadvantages of PAM? Bandwidth should be large for transmitting the pulse amplitude modulation signal. The frequency varies according to the modulating signal or message signal. Due to the variations in the signal frequency, interferences will be there, so noise will be great. For PAM, noise immunity is less when compared to other modulation techniques. Pulse amplitude signal varies, so power required for transmission will be more. Peak power is also, even at receiving more power is required to receive the pulse amplitude signal. What are applications of PAM? It is mainly used in Ethernet, which is type of computer network communication. Pulse amplitude modulation is used for Ethernet communications. It is also used for photobiology, which is a study of photosynthesis. Used as electronic driver for LED lighting. Used in many microcontrollers for generating the control signals, etc. Simple circuit of PAM is shown below. Thanks to Google, books and ChatGPT.